Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to clear app data on iPhone. So actually it is very easy. First of all, we need to open settings on our device and here scroll down a little until we will find general with a little gear icon. Click on it. Now go for iPhone storage and here you will see every single application that is installed on your device, and if we scroll down we can click on the little size button or name or last use date and sort them by size to see the largest applications on your device. And for example, I'll go to BeatStar and click on it, and I want to free up space for BeatStar, so I need to simply click on it and click on Offload App and confirm the action clicking on Offload App again. So basically, offloading the app will free up space, will delete the cache for this application, all the files, etc. And you can simply go and click on Reinstall App, and as you can see, it is 1 GB right now, and after it will reinstall it will like 800 megabytes, as you can see, free up space. This is the first method. The second method is you need to close settings, and this method is app specific. So for example, if you want to free up space for TikTok, you can click on it, go and click on the three lines in the top right corner, settings and privacy, scroll down a little and click on free up space. And now clear the cache of the application, clicking on the clear button, confirming the action. But remember, this app is app specific, so not every single app has this option. TikTok has. So basically that is it. That is how we can free up space for application on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.